Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you a magic trick with quarters. I'll be showing you how to do it in this easy tutorial so that you can fool your friends. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, I've cut out these circular pieces of white paper, and this is going to represent my quarters. Obviously, you can use real quarters, you can use tokens, you can use coins, any coins at all. You can really use anything as long as they're all equally shaped, okay? But generally, this trick is done with quarters. That's why I like to call it the magic trick with quarters. You're going to need 10 quarters, tokens, coins, whatever you're using, okay? So you're going to put them in groups of 1. I'll try and keep all this on camera. So 1, okay? Then you're going to leave a space and you're going to do 2, just like that, okay? You're going to leave another space. You're going to do 3. So 1, 2, 3, just like that. And then you're going to leave a space and you're going to do 4. Okay, obviously I didn't fit it, so we're gonna go a little bit further up like that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and then 4 is the next grouping right here. I'm gonna try and get it all on camera. We should be able to fit it all just like that. Okay, all right, let's just turn this. There we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you want to make the space roughly the same size as a quarter. It just keeps it looking uniform and makes the trick work properly. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to lay out the quarters, coins, tokens like that. And you're going to tell your friend, I want you can only do one thing. You can only move one object. You can only move one space or quarter, okay? And you want to tell them to make it to reverse the order. So then it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, they can only move one quarter or space or create one additional space. But then it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1. And you can even word it so that they can only remove or move one quarter, because you want to give them all of the options possible. They're probably going to look at it and they're probably going to say, you know what, I can't do it. I can't do it. It's not possible. And all that you have to do is take this one right here, which is the second last one all the way to the right. So basically the second last one in the fourth grouping of the sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4. You take this one, and all of a sudden you can see it's 1, 2, 3, and if you bring it over here, as long as your placement is correct, come on, unstick from my finger. There we go. It's going to be now 1, 2, 3, 4. The key is in this spacing, because if you space it properly, then it just works out perfectly. If it's not spaced properly, it'll still work, but it won't look, as convincing. But if you space it properly, then all of a sudden it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So essentially the 3 doesn't get touched. You are touching the grouping of 4, the second last one in the grouping of 4, and bringing it between the 1 and the 2, in which there will be a perfect space for another quarter. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.